video, we will learn some more different types of motion. Number one is periodic motion. Periodic motion is the motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time. For example, motion of a planet around the sun, motion of the moon around the earth, they all are periodic in nature. Motion of the hands of the clock, vibration of the strings of musical instrument, and rotation of the earth around its axis are all periodic in nature. You know, even your heartbeat and your pulse are examples of periodic motion. Next is your non-periodic motion. Motion which does not repeat itself after a regular interval of time is said to be non-periodic motion. For example, a man walking in a park, motion of an athlete, motion of a vehicle on a busy road. These are some examples of non-periodic motion. Children, in some cases, the motion can be repetitive but may not be periodic. For example, motions of the lungs while breathing, swinging the arms while walking, and motion of a rolling cricket ball on the ground are repetitive in nature but are non-periodic. It is so because these motions do not repeat themselves after a fixed interval of time. Then comes another type, uniform motion. A motion of an object is said to be uniform when it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. For example, a car is in motion and it covers 60 kilometers in each hour. Then the motion is said to be uniform motion. Lastly, non-uniform motion. A motion in which an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time while moving along a straight path, then it is said to be a non-uniform motion. For example, if a moving car covers larger distance and sometimes a shorter distance in a fixed interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. You know, the motion of the moving objects along a straight path is a non-uniform motion. For example, motion of a train between the two stations, motion of a car from one place to another on a busy road, motion of a freely falling object. These are some examples of non-uniform motion. Hence, children, in this you learnt about periodic and non-periodic motion and uniform and non-uniform